Hello guys, welcome back to another video here on my channel. In today's video I'm going to be talking about a website where you can make money just by listening to music and also watching videos. Okay, so if you're on this channel newly, I know you probably be wondering, okay, what's this channel about? First, I bring to you guys websites, apps and strategies by which you can make money for yourself legally. That is legit money, not scam, not Ponzi schemes, nothing. Just easy, well, sometimes easy, sometimes not just easy money, but yeah, you get money to your pocket. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be talking about a website called Rewardy. The website is rewardy.io. I'll also leave it in the description or link so that you guys can check it out. So this website is all about watching streams and also listening to music and doing all sorts. So right now you go to the website, you can decide to log in with your Google, your Twitch, register just an account and just like that. So I'm going to log in with my Google because I already have an account. Okay, so sorry about that. I'm going to click login with Google and it's gonna, it's gonna open up. So you're gonna ask me for the email account I like to use to log in. It's taking quite a bit of time, so we're in the app now. So I've been able to log in with my my Google account. Okay, I'm gonna make this video as short as possible, trust me. I like going straight to the point. Okay, so first you want to create an account or log in with your email, right? Now this is the user interface of this website. This is how it looks like. As you can see right now, there are so many streams for you to watch. Okay, now if you watch these streams, right, you tend to get what is called coins or points. Now the more coins and points you have or points you have, the more money you make and the more money you have in your account. If you look right here just below my username, it says 41. I currently have 41 points, which is approximately 0.04 cents, $4, which is 4 cents. I already withdrew $7 I think about last week or so. Let me show you guys my withdrawal history. And yeah, these are the platforms where you can withdraw from, but my favorite, which is actually what is recommended, is Litecoin. You can withdraw a minimum of $2, $5. So yeah, you can make easy money from these websites. In a day you actually can make this much money and just withdraw to your account. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys my withdrawal history so you can see what my destiny has been so far, so that you don't think that I'm just saying this just for saying it's sake, So basically I'm just going to go to my account, and as you can see it says this is my point. I'm currently on level 7, which is 72 points to next level, and this is how much I've earned since I joined. Okay, and if I scroll down you will see how I earned the 7,928 points or coins, as you might refer to it. And yeah, as you can see, I watch streams, which is 3,002, and I listen to music, which gives me about 2,008. Then the others are just referrals. I didn't get anything on referrals. Okay, well, 25 and stuff like that. Yeah, and bonus. Now this bonus comes when you watch and you get bonus just like that. So if I go to withdrawals, guys, I just want to show you guys before I continue the video. So you see completed Litecoin, I withdrew $7, and this was 31st of March. Okay, I wanted to do a video of me withdrawing live, but I couldn't, so I'm doing that now, like showing you guys that it's actually true, because I received my money in less than 5 minutes, and I'm not kidding, guys. In less than 5 minutes I received my money. So how does this work? First, you come here where it says earn, and you can see where it says Android, iOS and desktop. You can use any of it. Okay, so it depends whichever your options, whichever one you want to use to earn with. I'm currently using a laptop, so I'm just going to choose desktop, and I can choose save selection if I want, right? Okay, so I'm just going to click save selection. I can always change it. Now in offers, when you go to offers, you will see where you can do different kind of things like surveys, and you earn more money from there too. Maybe for you to follow an account or a page or something. You can listen to music and you can watch streams. Okay, this website is packed with different ways and tactics for you to actually earn some points. So if you don't like watching streams, you can listen to music. If you don't like listening to music, you can watch short clips like the one you find on YouTube shorts and stuff like that. But I prefer listening to music because I'm a music lover. So if I go to music, it's going to want you to download an application, guys. Now the application, don't worry, it doesn't take that much of your space on your phone. All you just have to do is download it. If you're using an Android or iOS, you just choose whichever one it is. I'm using an Android. I already have the app on my phone, so I listen to music from any country all over the world. If I want to listen to Spanish songs, I go to Spain and I click on it and I choose the radio station and all of that. So you have to, for you to listen to music, you have to install an application. And for you to also watch clips, you also need to install an application. Now trust me, when you install this application, you will see that it's actually quite easy for you to make money from it. Note, while you're listening to music or watching clips, every 5 minutes, it used to be 10 minutes, every 5 minutes of listening to music, you tend to get points. Now how do you get points? Your listening time is actually 5 minutes. So after listening to music for 5 minutes, there is usually an ad that comes up after 5 minutes, and the ad is from your country. Okay, the ad comes up with your location. It depends on your location, but it is usually, from my end, it's usually 30 seconds for the ad. Then after 30 seconds, you get another 5 minutes to listen to songs. Note, while you're listening to those songs, right, something cool usually occurs. Up here, sorry, let me just go back so I can show you guys. When you're listening to music, you tend to have points which you'll be able to see above on the tab here. You will see it here. Okay, let me just go back. So you can basically see the amount of coins that you have, which will show on the top. I'm using a laptop, so if you're using a phone, you probably see it by the top or by the side. I don't know. I don't use my phone to watch here. I use my laptop, so you might have a different view, but you will see the number of points you have showing up here. Then you will now know when to start watching your streams, because when you listen to music, you get points. Now when you now use those points, you then use it to watch streams, which will give you money. That's how it happens. That's how it is being done. Yeah, so basically you just need to do that. As you can see here, say listen and earn and watch and earn. So listen to music or you watch videos or streams, so whichever one catches your attention that you prefer. As you can see here, there's a game you can play which you can just earn $527 just like that, guys. And here more games are there for you to play, $28 and more and more and more. So I just prefer listening to music because I do other things, so I just prefer listening to music while I'm doing what I'm doing. So when it gets to the point where I want to watch streams, all I just have to do is come to earn and I click on watch streams, and it opens up so many streams for me to watch. And if I come here now and I click on one person's stream, as you can see, I have 0 time, guys. I have 0 time, but I have 10 speed. That is this 10. It means that if I have clock, if I have time as I'm watching, any coin I earn will be doubled. Okay, that's what it simply means. But for me to watch this, for me to gain any points from this stream that I'm about to watch right now, I need to have time. I need to have clock, which means I either go and listen to music or I watch clips, or I play a game, they play Flappy Bird. Okay, one of those two. There are other ways. This website is full of ways of earning. So I would advise you to check it out and make your decision on which one you prefer to watch. Right now I'm watching a stream, but I'm not going to earn anything. As you can see, it says earning inactive. To continue earning while watching, you need to acquire watch time, which you can get by completing offers. So you can do that by completing offers, or perhaps listen to music, watch clips. As you can see, this guy is playing. I'm watching him play one game, and I don't know what the game is but he's playing, and you know, if you want to watch, you can watch just because you don't like it, but because you want to make money from it. So this is a very good website for you to make cool cash, and easy too. So guys, if you like contents like this, please like and subscribe, and of course share and give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much. If you need any more information about this video or this website, you can leave a comment and let me know which of the section or the part you would like clarity on, so that I can make another video or explain better to you guys. So let me know. I'll leave the link to this website if you don't know what it is. I said rewardy.io, but I'll still leave a link there for you guys to watch and to click and come to the website and see for yourself. Yeah, I feel you will enjoy being on this website. It's a fun place to make money. Very easy, passive, semi-passive. So thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.